Then our ingredients: cheese, mayonnaise, and ketchup. I think it's cooked already. So first, we'll add the ketchup. So each bag. Mayonnaise. Then our patty for our meat burger. Burger. So the last part, our cheese. So you can add lettuce, tomato, whatever you want. But the kids don't want vegetables, so this is only my ingredients for today's burger. Our homemade burger by TADZ recipe. This is our simple homemade burger. And then we will put our sidings, our french fries. So here's our sidings, our french fries. Okay guys, please don't forget to watch my YouTube channel, TADZ Recipe. Thanks for watching, bye!